Yo, what up, YouTube? It's FLA Hemi back at you, man. Just go do a quick little video on the ZL1 Rock Guards install. Just quick video. From what I heard, it's very simple install, man. We'll just try to show you the process real quick. But from what I see in the directions, it says use push pins provided, and with my luck, like usual, they didn't include any. So we'll attempt to use just the stock ones, which from what I heard, most people just use the stock ones anyway that come in there, the push pins. I don't know if you can see it. And the weather's kind of crappy, man. I gotta do this install in the garage. It's raining. But yeah, I'm gonna be using this little tool I bought off of Amazon. Came with this little kit, and then this little bottle of alcohol to clean it up. A little degreaser, and I got in a bucket. Go clean it up real quick, and start the process. But yeah, ZL1 Rock Guards. All right, I'll be back. Alright, I'm back, man. What I did, I also turned the wheel all the way, to the side. That way you got a little bit more room to work. And about just take out the clips. I used some alcohol after I cleaned it up with a little degreaser. Make sure the little sticky part on here, the sticky tape sticks on there good. About it, man. So this quick little install. Let's see. I know the lighting kind of sucks, man. First one came out easy. What's going on? Yeah, I'm back, man. I had to stop recording real quick, man. I had put the wrong push buttons or whatever, push screws in, and these two right here kind of gave me a little problem real quick, but it's on there. It's on and tight. That's what it's looking like. Yeah. Alright, I'm only gonna do the driver's side, man. Recording, it's pretty simple. I already cleaned the back out. You only gotta take two out and put that in, so that's what I'm about to do now. Take those out real quick. Alright, I cleaned it up. I'm gonna take these two little things out. One. Two. And it says you peel like a little inch off the top real quick like that. That way you can peel it off and go put it on. Alright. That's about it, man. Hold up. Man, I had to stop real quick, man. I noticed I put the wrong one on the wrong side, but it's fixed now, man. Pretty simple, man. There's two push little push screws. Yeah. Thought the rear ones would stick out a little further more than they do, but it's alright. That's about it, man. We'll do the other side real quick and then a little finished product. Little recap. Alright, holla. Alright, man, I'm done, man. Just a quick view of the finished product. You know, as you see, it's starting to rain out here, so had to do it kind of quick. Yeah. Like RT Life said, man, probably one of the easiest installs you're gonna get. Yeah. Came out alright. That's about it, man. Stay tuned, man. Hellcat spoiler install coming next weekend. ZL1 Rock Guards, check. Installed. Alright, man. Y'all stay safe. FLA Hemi over and out. Holla.